Just watch what is meant. Where
Helical gear.
how helical gears look. See,
Are at angles to the gear axis. Here, period.
see. If you look from front, it's similar like, but the teeth are like this. Most of the automobile industry nowadays we are using this helical gear. कितना यूज करते हैं कल सामने में कितना लगा?
Produced while transmitting torque.
Because of noise.
It transmits torque for parallel and non-coplanar shaft.
Now, herringbone gears. After helical gears, we have another type of gear called herringbone gear. Here the tips are middle. It is half inclined like this. It's a V shape. Everywhere there is special type of helical gears. Consist of two helical gears with opposite hand of helix actually. So herringbone gear is modification of the helical gear. It is called a double helical gear or herringbone gears. Okay, you can say double helical gear or herringbone gear. So this way helical, this one, the middle one is different. Herringbone gears are used only for a parallel shaft. They are used only for the parallel shaft. And herringbone gears application, they are mostly used where, just mention, just watch this video.
Herringbone gear.
See how the tips are there.
Pass face at an angle and opposite. More than one tooth in contact, although teeth are inclined. The shaft does not produce axial thrust.
Okay, it's a complicated type. Actually. Then, how it's look like actually. This one is correct. Then herringbone gears. First one is herringbone gear. That is a herringbone gear. Specified types of double helical gears is a special type of gear that is a side to side, not face to face. Combination of the two helical gears of opposite hands. So here actually what happens is there are combination of two helical gears. One is like this, another gear like that together. It's a combination of two helical gear of opposite hands. Production, why here where the herringbones are used and everything. Herringbone gears are produced in a mirror pairs. Mostly they are produced in the pair only. The complex tooth profile makes them more expensive than most gear operations. So these gears are very costly also because this profile is very costly. The complex tooth profile makes them more expensive than the most gear option. Third one, it is common to place two opposite hand helical gears. It is common to place two opposite hand helical gears adjacently and mill a center flat grooves, which does not affect the performance. Particular herringbone gears are rare but gain prominence in the Citroen vehicle. So this is the one example. You can see the pictures. This is the herringbone gear. This is one here helical and this is another helical gear, but it's the opposite angle. Dimension specification, the pitch is measure of the tooth spacing and is expressed in the several ways. Pressure angle, the pressure angle is the angle of tooth action. The angle between the lines of force between the meshing teeth and the target to the pitch circle at the point of mesh. Helix angle, where this helix angle occurs. Helix angle is the angle at which the great teeth are aligned compared to the wrist. Sorry, which is the gear tooth. The helix angle is the angle at which the gear teeth are aligned compared to the axis. The both angles present on the herringbone tooth must be counted. Selection of tips, the gear must have same pitch and pressure angle in order to the mesh. A commoner. That type to cutter के ऊपर है. Material gear composition may be gear composition determined by the application including gear service rotation speed, and accuracy and mode. Based on this all terms, the gear metal are defined. First one is cast iron. It provides durability and ease of manufacturing. Okay? Alloy steel. It provides superior durability and corrosion resistance. Minerals may be added to their alloy to the further hardened in the gear. So alloy steel mostly provide a superior durability and corrosion resistance. This is very common. Mineral may be added in the alloys. Special mineral add करते हैं in the alloy to further harden the gear. Cast steel. It provides easier fabrication, strong working loads, and vibration resistance. Carbon steel. Carbon steel is impressive and strong, but are susceptible to corrosion. Aluminium is used when low gear inertia, which some resilience is required. Brass is an expensive, easy to mold, and corrosion resistant. You can do it. Brass होता है चलो. Copper is a specially shaped. Sorry, copper is a easily shaped, conductive, and corrosion resistant. The greater the strength will increase the if bronze. If greater the strength will increase the bronze. Gold आहे तो bronze घालता है हमारे. Concern about it. Plastics is an inexpensive corrosion resistance quite operationally and can overcome missing tip or missile. So you can accommodate here. Plastic is the less of, but metal has a virtue to the temperature change and chemical corrosion. Essential beryllium, nylon, and polycarbonate statistics are common. Other metals like wood may be suited for illusion application. So how it is used, just read for your knowledge. Now what is my bevel gear? So bevel gear, you can see here.
Bevel gear. In this video, we will discuss about bevel gear. Bevel gears are used when the direction of a shaft's rotation needs to be changed. Let us see the 3D model of the bevel gear. Here, it has the shape of truncated hole. Hand drill. In a hand driller, the bevel gears transmit motion when the shafts are at right angles to each other. Here, feeling. They are usually mounted on shafts that are 90 degrees apart, but can be designed to work at other angles as well.
Okay, this is the best example of bevel gear. And it is. These gears are called bevel gear. It have the shape of truncated cone. The intersecting angle can be less than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree or greater than 90 degree. The pitch surface of the bevel gears are frustum of the cone on which the teeth are cut. Now the bevel gears are used to transmit the motion between shafts at various angles to each other. They are mostly used for to transmit the torque with the various angle point. The teeth of bevel gears can be straight, spiral, or backward. It can vary. If the hand driller, the bevel gears transmit motion where the shafts are at a right angle to the each other. Now the bevel gear has many drives, divers, applications such as locomotive, marine application, automobiles, printing set press, cooling tower, power plant, steel plant, railway track inspection machine, etc. So most of everywhere it is used. Spiral gear, spiral double gear. Now we see the double gear. Helical gear, we see the there's next other product is called herringbone gear. Now this bearing gears, we have some other product also. We see what the spiral bevel gear is one example. The teeth of the spiral bevel gears are spiral curves, which also cover a common aspect apex point. Spiral bevel gear design is more complex and costly to manufacture. So these gears are very costly, and that profile is very costly. Set. Special and sophisticated machinery is required because of the tooth tip engage. The operation is quite compared to steering lever gears. The spiral gears are used to connect two co-panel or non-city shafts. They are employed to transmit small power. So this is one example. You can see how these gears are cut. Okay. And because spiral gear, you can see spiral. Mitral gear. These are also helical gear only, but the intersection with like a holding angle because of fixing. The bevel gears are symmetric to each other and transmit motion at right angle. Such gears may be called a mitral. I will now. Hypoid gear. Hypoid gears are used in the automotive differential gearbox. The फाटण्या box असता पण ते काम differential. All gears hypoid gears. See, see what I have said. This is called hypoid gears in a car of differential. See, watch this video. You will understand how that works inside a differential.
Working of effective unit or final point.
Working of the differential unit.
The
See,
power is transmitted from the key to the crown wheel and to the key.
see, this shaft is rotated from the main engine gearbox. After gearbox, the shaft is coming here with so much of torque, and now this is getting attached to this pinion. From the pinion to the crown wheel and to the cage.
Then the cage rotates the sun gears and also rotates along with the star gears. The sun gears are pushed by the star gears and power is transmitted to the axle shafts.
Such type of element inside the differential fluid. So a pair of hypoid gears similar to the spiral bevel gear, but with the shaft offset. The tooth action between each gear is combination of rolling and sliding action along a straight line. A pitch surface are hyperbolates or revolution in such a gears are called hypoid gear. So this type of inside it, the picture of that. Why? What are this? Next is worm gear. Worm gear means what? Best example is just remember tandoori pasta thing care with tandoori. Tandoori pasta thing test what is it? Chicken is already cooked and that is rotated continuously. So There is oven, and then electrically rotate along with that rod. Heating takes place continuously. Well, if you see behind that machine, you will find some pinion and gear. So it is rotated very slow, no? So this kind of mechanism is used. Or you can see. Wait. Nita.
Worm gear.
See.
Teeth are expanded to the axis and the curve.
See.
Worm
If
worm wheel.
If this rotates 50 times or more than it will rotate one. Depend on number of helical teeth present on the pinion. Here this is a gear. So this thread and this thread getting matched. This helical screw, it is called screw. Helical screw. Screw the word. So in the worm, threaded worm or threaded screw, this screw is rotated to this pinion. That's why if we rotate 100 times, it will rotate maybe 1 or 2. If it rotates 40 times, it will rotate 1. Depending upon how many teeth are. So,
More than 1 tool on time.
this is a worm shaft worm.
Axial torque is produced by transmitting torque. It transmits torque at right angles for parallel and non-two channel shaft.
Okay, this axis of the gears do not intersect and are perpendicular to each other. These gears are called worm gear and consist of worm and worm wheel. So the screw was opposite worm wheel and the wheel arm is worm wheel. The worm is in the form of threaded screw which meshes with the matching wheel. Worm gear application, where this worm gears are used mostly. So this worm shaft is a worm wheel. These are used mostly the same. It will look like this actually. This is rotated, it will take one down. So it look like this exactly there. These are widely used as speed reduction purpose. Applications of worm and worm gears in the index head gear mechanism as shown figure. So this is in the indexing it also there is a type of arrangement where worm and worm. So this is the actually the indexing head picture it is. It is also work on the same mechanism, worm and worm shaft. This type of transmission motion at a right angle to the axis, the motion at a different place. Velocity ratio is the ratio of number of turns of the worm in one turn